watching TV.
The girl is safe and secure in the sanctity of her own home. Suddenly, this happens. It was an SUV crashing into the house.
It sounded like an explosion.
Joseph Citroni of Salem, New Hampshire was panic-stricken as he searched the debris for 5-year-old Juliana.
Can you tell me what you saw when you walked in the room?
It's a truck exploding.
A pile of sheetrock and wall studs, and I took them off, and there she was. And I picked her up and I carried her outside, and she was bleeding.
A mailbox that turned into a projectile slammed into Juliana's neck.
A pediatric patient with a carotid neck injury.
Juliana required emergency surgery to repair the severed artery, a broken jaw, and cuts to her face.
You can see the tire tracks right here. This is where the car went.
Police arrested the driver, Scott Dowd, for drunk driving. And guess what? He's an orthopedic surgeon.
I thought like he had a heart attack or a seizure or something.
Oh no, it's exploding! Oh no, it's exploding!
It don't matter, I mean, because they say 13, they might be... What?
It's exploding.
Time on, they might seem to me.
What is Scott?